Have you ever knocked on wood to avoid bad luck? Or maybe you've hesitated to walk under a ladder. Superstitions are everywhere, shaping our thoughts and actions in ways we don't always realize. But why do we believe in them? And do they actually work? Let's dive into the fascinating psychology behind superstitions. Superstitions have been a part of human culture for centuries. From lucky charms to unlucky numbers, they influence how we make decisions, sometimes without us even noticing. But where do they come from? And why do they persist even in an age of science and reason? In today's video, we'll explore the origins of superstitions, the psychology behind them, and whether they serve any real purpose in our lives. First, let's talk about where superstitions come from. Many of them date back to ancient civilizations. For example, breaking a mirror is thought to bring 7 years of bad luck, a belief rooted in the idea that reflections represent the soul. Similarly, Friday the 13th is considered unlucky due to historical and religious associations. But why do people still believe in superstitions today? Psychologists suggest that superstitions provide a sense of control in uncertain situations. When faced with stress or unpredictability, people turn to rituals or lucky objects to feel more secure. This is known as the illusion of control, the belief that we can influence outcomes even when we can't. Another reason superstitions persist is reinforcement. If someone wears a lucky shirt and performs well in an exam, they may link their success to the shirt rather than their preparation. This reinforcement strengthens the belief, even if there's no actual connection. Now let's test this idea. Have you ever had a personal superstition? Maybe a lucky pen, a ritual before a big event, or avoiding certain numbers? Share your experiences in the comments. You might be surprised how common these beliefs are. Interestingly, superstitions can even enhance performance. Studies show that people who believe in their lucky charms often perform better simply because they feel more confident. This is known as the placebo effect in psychology, when belief alone can produce real effects. However, there's a downside. Superstitions can sometimes lead to irrational fears or even control behavior in an unhealthy way. If someone refuses to take action because of a superstition, it can limit opportunities and decision-making. So are superstitions good or bad? The answer depends on how much power we give them. They can offer comfort and confidence, but it's important to recognize when they might be holding us back. The key is understanding why we believe and making choices based on logic, not fear. What's the strangest superstition you've ever heard? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing psychology insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.